and welcome back. Francois from howtobecomemore.com. Today we're going to talk about the speed of decision and its impact. What do I mean by that? If you are confronted with a problem and you need to make a decision, the speed at which you make that decision is going to be directly linked with how clear you are with the outcome that you want. If you're not clear about the outcome or the direction of what you want to do, therefore you'll be slow to make a decision. Let's do this again. If you're certain of where you're going and things are coming your way, you look at it and says, oh, this is going to help me, you do it. Something else comes, oh, because you're clear on what it is that you want. No, this is not going to help. So you put it away. See how fast you're able to maneuver through the different decisions that need to be made? The more you're clear about what it is that you want, the faster you can make the decisions. And let's face it, speed and momentum is going to help you to overcome any challenges that you have or many challenges that you have. Because when we have momentum, we can literally break through an obstacle. If we have no momentum, we get to an obstacle and we stop. The speed at which you make your decisions in accordance with the clarity that you have is going to determine how fast and better success you can achieve in a faster and better way. Be clear on what you want, be decisive in those actions, and when they come, is it helping me? Yes. Is it helping me? No. Remove. Accept or remove. And that way you keep moving faster and faster. You use less of your energy, and therefore you're more efficient and effective. I love it. This is another one of the things that we need to align in our lives. If you haven't already done so, it's time to subscribe and ring the bell so you can be notified every time a new video comes out. I do them 5 days a week to help you get better. And don't forget to share it with others and give it a thumbs up so it can affect even more lives. Until next time, make it a great day. And don't forget, make decisions faster. How? By being clear on what it is that you want. Make it a great day.